So, how do you make friends when you don't have any? Every human has fundamental needs that you can tap into to drive them to want to be friends with you. See, I learned very early on that there's no way you're ever going to be successful in really any area of life unless you can talk to and meet people in such a way that drives them to enjoy being around you. I remember a story when I was in fourth grade, and the teacher was so tired of me talking to other students because I was bored that she sat me by the quietest girl in class, hoping that I wouldn't talk. And needless to say, in only a few short hours, the quietest girl in the class was getting in trouble with talking. This story is going to represent something really important as we move forward. I'm going to share that story with you. I was just out here thinking of that. I want to give you these really powerful tactics. Now, these things are so powerful, I really considered not sharing them because they can be used for evil. So I ask that you please don't use these tactics for evil, and because you can easily get other people to do what you want and control them, and that's just simply not cool. But I'm trusting everyone will use it for only good, and let's get to them. What is up, gentlemen and beauties? David B here. The secret to making friends when you don't have any is a couple of very powerful tactics that you can use to not only make people your friends, but also to subconsciously drive them to love and enjoy spending time with you. Now, these tactics I have derived from a combination of my life study of social dynamics and NLP, which is Neuro Linguistic Programming. Let's start off with a few basic tactics, and then we'll get to the real powerful ones here in a second. So first, you gotta make sure that if you don't have friends, you're gonna learn to have to talk to people. And whether you're moving to a new city, whether it's a new school or a new country, doesn't matter. This fact is still the same. You gotta meet people, you gotta talk to them. If I imagine myself moving to a new city where I don't know anyone, I know that I have to get out of my house and I'll have to go meet people. I would start going to coffee shops and restaurants, and I would talk to people at the bank, at the grocery store. I say all of those very specifically because I've actually made friends in all of those places. First step in making lasting friendships is to make acquaintances. So make acquaintances. I think it's a common misunderstanding that to make friends, you have to be good at talking to groups of people. And this is not true. Friendships happen one-on-one, where people can build trust and be vulnerable. Once I got talking to people, then I would do these very specific tactics. One, I would engage them on their level. What do I mean? I mean, you talk to them about their dislikes, their likes, the things that they enjoy, their dreams, their ambitions. You talk to them about what they feel like is their greatest accomplishments or their deepest fears. Get into their world. See, it's been proven that we like to talk about ourselves, and I doubt that you've connected this next part before, but subconsciously, the more we give of ourselves away to another person, the more we are connected to them. The more another person knows about our deepest desires, the more, well, they own us. And that's a really blunt way of saying that, but it's true. So that's how you get people to want to spend more time with you. Let them talk about themselves. Next, to make them feel so connected to you on a level that no one else has been before, you have to mirror them. Not overtly mimicking them, that's just weird. I'm saying to begin picking up on the things that they say, those special unique words they use, the mannerisms that they have, and begin to sprinkle those into what you say and do when you're around them. In NLP, this is called mirroring, and what we are striving for here is to build rapport on a subconscious level. Mirroring makes other people feel like you are exactly like them. This makes them more at ease and feel like you understand them better than anyone else ever has. At first, this is going to be difficult. You're going to have to consciously be aware of what they are saying, doing, and what you are saying and doing. But over time, the more you do this, it'll become natural, and then you'll begin doing it without even thinking about it. The next tactic is great for those of you who are a little bit more shy, a little more soft-spoken. Maintain good energy. I'm not saying that you need to be all amped up and hyped up, and that's just annoying. What I'm saying is that you need to maintain a good balance between being annoying and being boring. There's a good middle ground, and do this. Begin paying attention to your level of energy and the level of energy of the people around you. We're going to start rating it from a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being like really super low and just really, and 10 being just really super high and amped up. What you want to do is, once you can start rating other people's level of energy and you can put a number to it, you want to go just 1 number above them. Just 1. This keeps you from putting other people in a comatose state of boredom and just being really annoying. It makes them think, wow, this person has more energy than I do. They're more fun. They're more energetic. I have to spend time with them. Like the story that I had talked about in the beginning of this video about me being in the 4th grade and talking to someone who's really shy. The real secret of why I'm saying that is because, honestly, shy people are a lot easier to talk to. Especially if you're shy yourself. That's the easiest way to start to make friends, is because you actually can relate to them. One of you just has to make the effort to go and talk. And so if you want to learn how to do that, all you have to do is watch the video on your screen right now. And if you do that, you'll actually be helping this video to get pushed out to more people who could actually use this information. So until next time, stay confident, my friend.